Okay, what's your name?
Rian.
Yan. Tama na school.
10HS.
Grade?
Grade 10. Grade 10. Okay, so for our first picture, unsa ni siya?
Food Panda.
Very good.
50 pesos. Next picture.
Unsa ni?
Uy, wala ka baluan na.
Okay, pass. Sige, pass.
Tama.
For 150 na ta. Unsa ni siya?
Philippine Airport. Philippine Airline.
Philippine Airline, correct.
Okay, unsa man ni siya?
Pagkaunan yan.
Oh, pagkaunan.
Green. Green Hills. Green Pizza.
Greenwich.
Oh, correct. Okay, take it or risk it?
Risk it.
Okay. This is your picture.
Soil. Soil.
Ah,
Sea oil. Sea oil. Sea oil.
So, going 300. Take it or risk it?
Risk it.
Okay, mauna na inyong final picture. What?
Ano siya? Kuryente.
Meralco.
Correct!
Congratulations.
Ano sabi mo?
Oh, risk it.